Genessa, Nannini. International Women's Day this year is going to be a good one. Last year, we were very San Jose focused, but we did do things around the globe. This year, all about global. We want a global experience when it comes to International Women's Day, something consistent. The hashtag this year is Press for Progress, and with that, we're looking at our role as influencers. How do we play a part of influencing? Influencing happens every day, and it's not necessarily talked about, but the people and the women of PayPal are amazing, and they're such influential people. So this year, we'd like to start to highlight those. And so site by site, we're looking to highlight our top influencers. What did they do? What made a difference? How did they press for progress? And then in San Jose, we'll also bring back in our speed mentoring. Now, last year we had about 60 proteges and 60 mentors, but this year we're thinking about doubling it, looking for really creating that network and that ability for people to connect and creating an environment where they feel safe and open. Last year was our first year for Mosaic, which is a group mentoring program underneath of the Unity affiliation. And what we do is we really just help people connect. So what we're hoping for this year, our second year with Mosaic, is we're really gonna go global. And we're gonna build this out, help connect people to their new mentors, their new groups, really create these ability for them to connect.